we're always like, oh, come, it will be great. It's going to be August and it will be sunny and beautiful. Like, no, it's going to snow. And sure enough, it like snows in August when we go up there.
Do they not like it there, or is she... The thing is...
She's got it.
She's fine, she's fine.
Okay, take your foot off.
Take your foot off, take your foot off. Ooh!
What you doing? The statue of McKenna? What are you doing, McKenna? Oh, you're right. Sorry. You're going to see something tomorrow probably called the Statue of Liberty. What a good statue. Oh, feeling better now? Yeah? What you doing? Picking some sand off your feet? How you doing, Maya? You tired? You have a boo-boo? Oh, look, she's asleep. Oh, okay. That's awesome.
Careful, Jeffrey.
It's okay. It's alright. You just have way more worried that she'd bite his finger.
Yeah, she bites his finger.
Cheese. Cheese. She's saying cheese.
Taking movies?
Yeah.
You know what? For $39.99, which is what we paid this time, you stayed here. The sounds were nicer.
I was gonna get that, babe. Did your cake leave?
No, it's right there. I'm going to eat some more. Sherry likes
Okay, make a wish and throw it in. Okay, you think it's gonna come true? Look how pretty this place is, huh? Mountain. Oh, wow. Are you warm in the greenhouse?